Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I am going to be working on this little dragon mold. My husband bought this for me from Temu. I have my switching sponge here. I have some of my chrome powders, and I have a brush. If I need a smaller brush, I'll pull one out. I will try to have everything linked in the description box. I'm probably going to go through and brush this stuff on and do a time lapse so you don't get bored watching me do that. I'm just trying to figure out what colors I want to go with. Pretty much new. So yeah, so I'm going to get started. Okay, I have 6 ounces of resin mixed or poured and mixed. I did not run it through my vacuum chamber, but I did heat up part A in a warm water bath. I'm going to add some black pigment to this. It is so cold outside. I know it was like, I don't know, 4 degrees. It like feels like 8 below. It's even getting colder. I know it's gotten colder than that. But late January, early February, or late January and most of February is bitter cold in Michigan, so not surprising. I can still see my mixing spoon in there. Let's see. Yeah, I want it just a little darker than that. So we add a little bit more. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing this done with some interference powders and stuff like that. I'd be curious to see this with some interference. This is chrome powders that I used here, but I would really be interested to see the interference powders. I don't know if this is going to take the full 6 ounces or if I'm going to have to mix up more than the 6. I don't know. Whatever it takes, I will write it down. So I want to get this out of there. We'll set that on here. And set this here. Like so. And I'm going to start to pour. The 6 ounces was just a guess. So we'll see how I do at guessing. If I'm on it close enough or not. And that looks like it's domed up. And that was 6 ounces. What do you know? I couldn't have guessed that any better, huh? Pretty cool. I'm going to let this cure. I am going to watch it to make sure it doesn't run over. But I'm let this cure up, and I'll probably let it sit for about an hour before I turn on my heat mat because I know I want to speed this along a little bit, and I will see you at demold. Okay, this is cured. Let's see what we have. I'm just pulling on these things here. I don't see any mica powder left down there except for on the ends here, which that's normal. Let's see how well I did coloring him. All right, I'll get that. Let's see. Oh, he's so cute. Isn't he cute? I know now next time to make his feet silver or whatever color I'm making his tail, make his feet because it's got the same, or make it the same color as this. One or the other. It don't matter. There's no such thing as a real dragon. But oh, he's cute. I like him. What do you think? Oh, he's adorable. And I did get a little bit of overspill around this foot. Let's see if it's thin enough to cut with my scissors. Probably, yep. Not much, not bad. Oh, I like them. Do you like them? I do. What colors would you like to see me try? I want to try the interference colors next. But yeah, that's a nice little mold. I have to show my husband. I like them a lot. So, let me know in the comments if you like them. Let me get a piece of black paper. So there he is. There's my little dragon. He's adorable. I like him a lot. He is so cute. I wonder if I did his eyes black. Let me see. Let's see. I could have just went up. Could Could have just went in there with a Sharpie. Yes, I like that. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Your likes and your comments really help my channel out a lot. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. I could not do this without you. You guys have a great day and God bless. Bye.